we have common shortcuts with us. So, what are the common shortcuts? Shortcut keys are basically functioning to provide you easiest way to use a particular function. So we have the shortcuts available, control plus n. This shortcut is used to create a new workbook. Control plus o is to for opening the new workbook, or the new we should not say it new workbook, we should say it the existing workbook. After that I have control plus s, this is for the saving. F12 is save as. Control plus w is used to close the active workbook. Next shortcut is control plus x or c or v. Control plus c is used to do the copy, control plus v is used to paste the contents, and control plus x is used to cut the content.